I've always wanted to be a nurse. I was one of those little girls that had like 100 baby dolls because I wanted to be a baby nurse. So that's what I always wanted to do. And I knew that I wanted to find a really good school that had nursing, a good nursing program, because I wanted to be one of the best in my field, I guess you could say. And I took a tour, and it was just my family and a couple of the nursing staff. And we were walking through the nursing building and looking through the lab windows at the students doing their labs with the little mannequins that you can do a bunch of stuff with, and they simulate things. And the professor came out and was like, "Hey, are you on a tour?" And I was like, "Yeah." And she goes, "Well, come in and see what we're doing. You know, we'll just show you everything we're doing today." And they showed me they were learning how to run IVs and central lines. And I had students come over with like their little IV tray with different vein types that are like simulated. As long as you're a nursing major, you're in the nursing school. You're welcome in there. There's study rooms there, there's like lounge floors, and they tell us from the day that we start, you're a nursing major, you are welcome here. Come here and study, come here and hang out, just come chat with us if you have questions. And it's just a really awesome environment to have because you don't feel excluded. Even when you're not in the nursing school, you're still the nursing major. And it's really cool to sit in there and listen to the other nursing majors who are in the nursing school with what they're working on and what they're studying. And sometimes they'll be like, "Oh, are you gonna be a nursing major?" And I'll be like, "Yeah, I'm a nursing major." And they'll be like, "Oh, well, this is what we're working on right now. Do you wanna like come learn about it?" I'll be like, "Yeah, that's really cool." And, you know, they just pull you in and they just welcome you a lot. It's just great. Come schedule a tour with the nursing school while we're like in classes, because the professors are so great. If they see you on a tour, they're probably gonna be like pulling you into classes, into labs, and saying, "Well, this is what we're talking about right now. You know, this is what we're doing." But I would say if you're thinking about being a nursing major, you definitely need to come here and see. We have one of the best programs, and I'm super excited to start.